Hey, you know how we always share so many files and messages on Microsoft 365? It's like, whoa, that's a lot of data being processed. Well, let me tell you about optimizing this data usage while querying Microsoft Graph API calls. Picture this, you are trying to fetch a ton of emails, and suddenly it takes forever to load. Sound familiar? Well, we can dodge this lag like a pro. You see, Microsoft Graph offers this unified API endpoint, but not knowing how to use query parameters is like fishing with your bare hands. You are not making any headway. So, let's dive into some nifty techniques to keep our API calls snappy and not too chatty. First up, let's learn about $filter. Imagine it as a smart robot that only fetches those exact items that you want to see, no more, no less. It can search by anything like a specific user, a particular day, or any field in the data. The secret here is to make precise and concise requests, which mean fewer calls and quicker results. It's all about being smart, like telling our robot to just get emails from yesterday and not ask it to sort through every email on Earth. Next, we've got these nifty controls called $order by and $top, like our command center for sorting and limiting items. It's like giving the robot an instruction to not just fetch any email but sort them based on a priority list like latest or date-wise. Also, this helps us to get only a handful of emails instead of a pile, that way we make fewer trips. And while we are doing this, imagine your office Wi-Fi slows down because everyone wants to watch Netflix. This strategy would keep you productive. Imagine if our robot could carry out another smart move using $skip while sorting or limiting. Yes, it can. So, when our robot fetches those emails, let's say it gets to limit to 5, but next time it only fetches to based on our previous sorting criterion. Wow, we are making this even smarter. So, I'm sure now we know the importance of these query parameters. Aside from improving performance, we are also cutting down on costs and not hogging unnecessary system resources, right? Imagine, less data in flight equals less cost to transmit it. Think about the positive environmental impact too. Less data processed means the servers can cool down, you understand? Alright, enough talking, let's start implementing these on our own. Just remember to play it smart with these query parameters. Fetch, sort, limit and don't overdo, Now, the next time you share an email or message, it'll fly around quicker and the network breathes a sigh of relief. Till then, if you are curious to learn more or want to discuss anything, my digital door is always open. So, remember, check out neeraj.qzz.io and hit that subscribe button for TechLab, your one-stop shop for the most interesting tech knowledge. Cheers! Please note that while we can't change the settings for everyone to automatically optimize their data usage, these practices we've talked about and the ones from the Microsoft documentation can make a significant difference. And hey, remember to take breaks and share a treat with a friend occasionally, no matter how sophisticated your tools or systems are. Stay awesome and see ya! Visit neeraj.qzz.io and subscribe to TechLab for more insights like these. Till then, stay awesome and remember, no data is too big when you know how to handle it. Adios.